I'm often asked about the steps and skills necessary to become an entrepreneur. So, whether you've always had this dream, you're hanging out your shingle now as an outcome of the pandemic, or you're preparing for a second, third, or fourth act during retirement, here are my 10 key focus areas. And if you click on the actual article, you'll also get action steps. Number one, you need an idea and you need to research it. Start with a problem to solve. Elon Musk began Tesla with the goal of accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy. I co-founded Launch Financial Planning to bring financial education and transparent planning to our local community and beyond. My college roommate built an ice cream shop in the Bronx because there wasn't any place for his kids to buy ice cream. Research the market to understand if there's demand for your product or service, whether your market is growing or shrinking, and if there's space for your business among other existing competitors. And then you need a business plan. Number two, a business plan. Create a detailed business plan outlining your vision, your business goals, your target audience, marketing strategy, operational plan, and most importantly, financial projections. Many leave out the financial part. Spend time on it. You need to know if your idea will be profitable and realistically by when. Three is the legal structure and registration. Decide on the legal structure of your business. Are you going to be a sole proprietorship, a partnership, an LLC? And then register your business name with the appropriate authorities and obtain any necessary licenses or permits. Number four, the finances. How are you going to fund the business? This could involve personal savings, loans, investments from friends and family, venture capital, or some combination. Set up a business bank account, implement a system for financial record keeping, and then you also need to figure out how are you going to fund your life until your new idea starts making money. Number five, location and infrastructure. Depending on your business type, decide whether you need a physical location or not. But if you do, find a suitable space, set up necessary utilities, and consider equipment and technology needs. Six, brand development. Develop your brand. You need a logo, a website, marketing materials. Your brand should reflect your business values, appeal to your target audience, while feeding into your marketing and sales. And by the way, the more you can hyper focus on a niche these days, the easier it will be to market to them. Which goes right into marketing and sales. Number seven, create a marketing strategy to attract customers. Utilize digital marketing, social media, networking, and traditional advertising methods as appropriate for whatever it is you're doing. Number eight, operations and management. Establish operational processes for delivering your product or service efficiently. Hire necessary staff or contractors, define roles, responsibilities, and implement systems for inventory management, customer service, and quality control. Number nine, legal and regulatory compliance. I think this goes without saying, but ensure your business complies with all relevant laws and regulations. And then number 10, adaptability and growth. Stay adaptable and be prepared to adjust your business strategy based on market feedback and changing circumstances. Starting a business requires perseverance and a willingness to take calculated risks. Surround yourself with advisors and mentors who can provide guidance and support along the way. And above all, you need to unequivocally believe in yourself. Go get it.